Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are liking my videos. In today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful 3D leaf. See, this is the simple one. I have created hearts on this. This is also the simple one, and this is like a leaf only. For that we need craft paper, scissor and glue. So let's start. See, these are the hearts which I have already traced and cut it from the craft paper. We need 3 of each color. See, I have cutted this heart and I have drawn with sketch pen hearts on it. On this one I have drawn a leaf pattern. Now let's start. We'll take these 3 hearts together and we'll, with the help of scissor, just slit bit. Now separate it. Now we will glue this heart this way on one side and just say this 3D heart. So this way, just hold for a while till it dry. This way. This manner. So this. Do the same for this hearts also. See, I have stuck all these hearts, and now we need a rectangular paper and we'll just fold it half, and this is the stem that we need. Now we'll apply glue here and we'll stick this heart here. This another heart here. Let it dry. You can apply here also a bit glue so that our craft stays at its place. This way, this way. See this. Now let it dry. See this. Now make for this also. See, I have completed this. See how beautiful it looks. It gives the 3D effect. You can stick this on your wall and it is a perfect DIY to decorate your wall. I hope you like my video. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.